your head up. Don't look at the ground. There you go. Yeah, hustle, hustle. Let's go again. Go, go. No shot. Stay down. Control that ball. There you go. Keep your head up. Defense is down here. There you go. Let's dribble. Stay low. Get some, yeah, keep that behind the back. Stop losing it. There you go. Don't fall. Stay down. Keep your feet under. Shoulder width apart. Keep your hand on top of that ball. Fingertips. There you go. Make them think you're going right. Then go left and cross them over. Go.